In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a checkbox in Paperform. Whether you're looking to gather more detailed information in your forms or offer respondents a chance to select multiple options, checkboxes can be incredibly useful. Let's dive in and see how you can easily set them up. First, you'll want to find your way to the dashboard on Paperform. From here, you can either choose an existing form that you want to edit or create a new one. Once you're on your form's editing page, it's time to begin adding your checkbox. All you need to do is locate and click the Add Question button. This is where things start to get interesting. After you've clicked Add Question, you'll see a variety of field types available to you. For our purposes today, you'll want to select multiple choice. Now, you might be wondering why we're selecting this if we're aiming for checkboxes. Good question. The magic happens when you configure it, which we'll get to in just a moment. In the field where you input questions, think about what information you need from your respondents. For instance, you might ask, select the services you need. This gives your users a clear indication of what you're looking for. With your question text entered, it's time to move on to adding the options that respondents can choose from. Input each option that you'd like to include. For example, if you're a service provider, your options might be different services that you offer. The great part here is that you can add as many options as you like. Don't be shy. Now, to transform these multiple choice options into checkboxes, head over to the settings for this question field. Here, you'll want to locate and switch on the setting for multiple select. This is the key step. It allows your respondents to tick more than one option. When this setting is enabled, it changes your question from radio buttons, which only allow one choice, to checkboxes, which can accommodate multiple selections. Before wrapping things up, it's always a good idea to test your form. See how the checkboxes appear and ensure that they're functioning as they should. This step is crucial as it helps you spot any errors or misconceptions before your form goes live. Once satisfied, go ahead and save your progress. And there you have it. A straightforward method to incorporate checkboxes into your paper form. By following these steps, you can better engage with your audience and gather richer, more detailed responses. Thanks for watching and happy form building.